Detecto's Model 7550 wheelchair scale features a unique fold-up storage design that conserves space when not in use. You can install the 7550 directly in high-traffic areas and fold it up easily when done weighing. The 7550 easily accommodates most wheelchair sizes, including most power wheelchairs. The slim 7-inch, 18-centimeter profile takes up minimal space when installed in a medical facility hallway, clinical office, or patient room. This method of care retains patient dignity by weighing in open commons areas instead of back rooms or closets. The 7550 uses Detecto's state-of-the-art 855 indicator that is the size of an iPhone and integrated into the top panel of the scale. The full-color touchscreen LCD with wheelchair tare weight mode allows you to remove wheelchair weights and factor patient weights easily. The touchscreen allows you to easily key in patient IDs that can be sent to EMR software for recording patient records, and the scale comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi standard for wireless connectivity. One-way units locking sets the weight into pounds or kilograms upon initialization. When you're ready to weigh, simply lower the platform and the gas spring lifting mechanism will gently lower it into place. Two-way ramps provide easy access from either direction. The patient is simply rolled backward onto the scale's generously sized platform for weighing. When the patient has been weighed, they may be rolled backward off the scale. The 1.5-inch, 38mm high platform is very low to the ground for patient access. This makes the process easy and minimal effort is required in order to roll the patient on and off the weighing platform. After you're finished weighing, simply raise the platform and the gas spring lifting mechanism will take over and return the platform to its vertical compact position, snug against the wall. No heavy lifting is required and the scale may be used on carpet or hard floor surfaces. The 7550's sturdy steel construction has a baked-on powder coat matte finish that is a contemporary gray color to blend into any room environment and fit in more as a piece of furniture than a scale. This allows the scale to be installed directly in high-traffic areas and work zones without using up valuable floor space and still look attractive when folded up. The 7550 offers a spacious weighing platform that is 36 inches wide by 33 inches deep, 91 centimeters by 84 centimeters, so there's ample room for a variety of wheelchair sizes and types, including most power wheelchairs. The 7550 can capably accommodate bariatric patient weights with its high capacity of 1,000 pounds, 450 kilograms. The clinical grade accuracy of 0.2 pounds, 0.1 kilograms makes this scale ideal for a wide range of clinical weighing use. The 7550 operates on 6 C-size batteries, and the 7550 AC model comes with an AC adapter. If you have any questions about Detecto's 7550 fold-up stationary wheelchair scale or would like to place an order, you may reach Detecto's friendly customer service team by phone at 800-641-2008 or go online to www.detecto.com. Since 1900, Detecto has been building a better way. We look forward to serving you for all of your medical weighing needs.